Hey, beauties and cuties. Hey, cuties and beauties. I know, I know. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. I know I have not been uploading, but thank you to all the new subscribers who choose to come and join this little family over here. My beauties and cuties, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be in this world. Yes, as you could tell from the thumbnail, I had to order from the good old UK because it was only available on eBay. And if you can guess what I ordered, well, you ain't got to guess because I'm going to show you anyway. Where the hell did I put the box? Right here. Right here. And if you watch my little 30-second little sneak peek, as you can see, we got a big old Shop Miss A order, okay? And don't tell nobody, but I got two more on the way. Two more. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I spent over $100 on Shop Miss A for three. I know. Something wrong with me. But I do this for you. I do this for you. All right, well, I have handy scissors. We got the busy box. Let's see. Oh, that's what I like about Beauty Bay. Give you a little zip cord. Do you know that pink? Do you know that pink? Inside, uh-huh. I know I'm late, but hey, I had to wait for them to restock it so I could get it. Don't judge me. Comes with some cardboard packaging, some bubble wrap. I know you've seen it. I had to get it. I had to get it. I had to get this. Let us just pray that it made it here in one piece. Yeah. Yes. I got it. I got it. I got it. Yes, the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette. I know you've seen so many reviews and looks and stuff like that, but I had to get this palette for myself. It is limited edition, and as of right now, today, it is out of stock. I don't know if they're going to restock, but you're better off following Beauty Bay on Instagram, Facebook, or Snapchat, whatever social media outlets that you use in order to find out about the restock. Or you can go to the website themselves and put your email in there so that you can get a notice, like I did. But I mostly follow them on Instagram, and that's how I found out first before I even got the daggone email. But it's all right. That's why you gotta, you gotta cover all bases. Cover all bases. All right. You know all that holographical goodness right there. All his little symbols, and there's the back of the palette. And this is quite a hefty palette. Nice and thick. Here. That magnetic mirror. Do it really? I don't. Oh, I don't know. I know I wouldn't just stand it up and try to use it as a vanity, because it ain't gonna work that way. Okay. Now I done seen everybody tear off all these plastic sheets and toss them to the side, but Sir Mitchell said that these are replaceable protective plastic coverings. Let me see. I'm going to set that over there. And we're going to set that over there. Oh, Morgan. It looked like a fingerprint is in Morgan, but it could be just the way the palette was pressed and how it dried. You know, you got to inspect. It just smells like the glue that they put the cardboard in. Nothing special. But I know you guys have seen this palette hundreds of times, possibly. But nice, good up close. Right there, right there. Right there, right there. I don't know. Should I swatch it? Should I swatch it? I'm not going to swatch the whole thing. I'm just going to swatch a few colors that I would like to see against my skin tone because I haven't really seen too many medium to tan people reviewing this palette. So hopefully I can help a few of you ladies and gents out, my beauties and cuties. You know, if you are my skin tone. And have I seen, I don't think I've seen anyone with a deep or beautiful mocha chocolate skin tone with Swatch's palette. I haven't found anybody. So, hey, it is what it is. And, oh, sorry, I shook the camera. I just got these wipes from Family Dollar for $1. Cucumber ones. Oh, they are very cucumbery. All right. So I have washed my hands. I have sanitized my hands with hand sanitizer. All that. I always do that. Sanitize the back of my hand or wherever I'm swatching beforehand. I'm sure, whatever. Anyway, since I ramble too much. The shades that I'm really interested in are the duochrome iridescent shades. I've noticed like people who have gotten this palette, I don't know if they post masters was extra rough with their packages, but I've noticed with some of the reviews that I've seen that Morgan or Marine came cracked, and you just seen the up close of mine and they were perfect. This palette came in perfect. It was perfectly packed. I'm so happy to have this palette. Okay, I'm gonna swatch this. To me, I don't know why they say that's a yellow, but to my naked eye, when I see it, I know the light is making it look like a pure primary yellow, but Manchester, and to my naked eye, it looks like that Kraft cheese mix. No, something. Like after not just the pure powder, but after you mix it up and add a little milk, a little butter, you know what I'm saying, little touches. That's what this looks like to me, but I am going to swatch Manchester. Muffin look like it's trying to pop up out the pan, or the palette itself. Oh, some of the pressed pigment just fell off my finger. See, there's Manchester. Oh, it's just flaking off. I'm gonna dip into Marine. There's Marine, quite thick. Okay. You know, we gotta try Mega. It looks like a glittery shade of purples and pinks and blue sparkles with a deep smoky plum undertone. Got one more finger left. I'm gonna say that for Shmoney. Shmoney is nice, and these are very soft shadows. But let's start with Manchester. Marine. See, Marine is I noticed like the iridescent shades, they are quite chunky. And Mega. Gosh, that's gorgeous. That's it. Oh. And Shmoney. Okay. Shmoney. I thought it was going to be a lime green. I see I'm going to have to use a very light or even a white base for me in order to capture that neon limeness. So, yeah, because on me, it's going to come out just a Kelly green. All right, well, there's a few swatches and, a little host of little whatever. I did pick up some few things from AliExpress. I believe I found a great dupe for a very popular eye primer. Okay, for less than $2. I'll probably post that up tomorrow. Probably get that up for you guys tomorrow. I do have to work, but I'm off this weekend, so I'll probably post that up this weekend. And I promise you guys, I will be posting more because you guys are helping me grow and glow, and I want to show you, whatever things you might be interested. Like I said, I haven't seen nobody swatch these on my type of skin tone. So there goes those again. If you guys want me to swatch the whole palette, please let me know down below. And if you're really bold, you'll subscribe, And if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. I ain't forcing ya. But please stay tuned or you'll miss out. Shop Miss A haul. As you can see, it's a hefty size package again. Like I said, I spent over $100 over 3 orders. Yeah, and I did it all within the past 3 weeks. It's like every week I put in an order. I put in an order. I put in an order. But let me not ramble on again. I'm going to close this out. I hope you have a blessed day. Don't be a stressed day. I love you, beauties and cuties, and I'll see you in the next episode.